Hey, what's up? Okay, so this one's going to be, I hope, pretty short. What we're going to do here today is I'm going to talk to you about that WPA3 Enterprise authentication that I set up. You can see here I am connected, we're pinging out, but the complaint was there's nothing different. We're all similarly connected the way we had been before. But what I wanted to talk about was the main point, dynamic VLAN assignment. So that's what you came here for, that's the name of the title on here. Let's get into it. We've got different groups and different users. Users are what are going to be assigned. You're going to manually put those in there. It's all clear text, so I'm not going to click on it, but I've got a user named Micah, and let's take a look at the group. Micah belongs to the admin group. So when Micah interacts with the authentication server here, he's going to be dropped into the user group of admin and assigned into the VLAN with the ID of 1. That's the native VLAN right here. So let's go ahead. That's me. I am connected. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at my IP address. So that is the native VLAN 10.0.0.0/20. Okay. And what I want to do here is I want to drop admin users into the VLAN 10. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay. One row is affected in the database. It's all updated, and you would expect that I should go through some sort of DORA process with the DHCP and pick up a new lease at some point or another and be dropped into VLAN 10. You can see I am definitely not in VLAN 10. I'm still in the same VLAN, and that is because I didn't re-authenticate to the Wi-Fi. When you re-authenticate, you put your credentials in. That's when you'll interact with that Radius server in the back, and you'll be dropped off into the correct VLAN ID. Okay, so right here we're going to go into VLAN 10, and let's go ahead. Let's do that. I'm going to re-authenticate this way. I'm just going to say renew, and you'll see I lose connectivity. And let's go ahead and take a look over here. No IP address. And then it takes a second or two here. We come back up, and we've got a different IP address range. It's 10.10, and that matches with the 10.10.0.0/24 range for VLAN 10. You can see here we are connected. It's got a little hiccup there, dropped a ping. Nothing to be terribly worried about. What I do want to show you, though, is how this works under the hood. Okay, so we're going to cat out the file. It's called ZSHRC, and that is going to show you what I did in order to get the renew command up and working. A little life hack here. I just set an alias, and I called it renew. We're calling the service of Wi-Fi. You can see Wi-Fi, and it has to be spelled exactly the same. So if you have a USB or some other interface, make sure that whatever you named the interface service, it matches here. We're going to turn it off, and we're going to turn it on, and we're going to sleep, and then we're going to grep for the same interface once again. So again, your mileage will vary if you're on a different network. Maybe you're on the 192.168, and you want to change that 10 to being something else, something other. But now that you see that works and how that works, let's go ahead and put this guy into the VLAN 20. Got an affected row, that's good, and we'll say renew, and we drop pings, and you'll see it come back up, and we'll have the IP address 10.20.0. something. So let's take a look. The service is still down, no connectivity, still reaching out. Okay, we got that instantaneously. It came back 10.20.0.16, and away we go. Hope that's helpful. I hope that just seeing that in action kind of gives you some ideas. Remember though, if you're trying to get a user from one VLAN into the other, just turn off Wi-Fi, turn it back on, restart the Wi-Fi connection, re-authenticate, and the Radius server will put them in the correct VLAN as per your dynamic VLAN assignment.